Hello, 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 hello. Mikona. Bashaka mjani ntonto kamba namba na kenza kwa mina ngutinga na unako waida wang anelo wa gengirika na mina manda lekere gengirika ni waka mashaba ni kenza suna kwa mina ngutile nrona kenza sunela wala wanga subscribe baka channel ya hina na munta loko mini vonera lawa na munta hela kuvulavula na nkukomba n'wana endla fitness so hila ku twa ku ri loko swi ta ka timhaka ta ku tatisa mabodi swi famba njhani aye empukini sure ne okay so la vede sungula se la ku la timhaka ta ku sama bodies vanhu va sungula rini mi nga sunguli hi December so indeed sama bodies swi endliwa hi winter so hi nkarhi wa kona sweswiwani so hi ngheni ya hi landzeleni swi lama tlhela ma tirhisiwa veni since munhu a tata maintain fitness la not the booking the blind this is nice so okay I'm gonna take off this yeah okay I didn't get Makata
Mara, I didn't stop recording.
Yeah, good. That's good. So, mashallah, I'm not ready to Muslim.
Yeah, I'm from Jimmy.
Yeah. Ni naman lawa.
Shoni Pamo.
Sino po mo po?
Yeah.
Muma pin ka.
Makamalande.
Okay. Jimmy ang nalio.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ni na. So, mako jima susungule kwini na stop na boxing. Yeah. So mara umizeli tukuma na come on a gym. Mamka mi dumisa abantu kujima. Sisukisa kwe.
La sukela kono sukseli la ningaeta ku jonda like under Pitori and then anenda boxing there nilika under national team.
Okay.
So lo under national team kan lava ku qualify for the Olympics and then every need some like qualify for the Olympics. So kan donan salary course ya 1 and then on salary course ya 1 kun graduate and then anfana ngona ko rin fana na enda national kun ban kani enta course ya lo kana kala and stuff. And ni natera ajimi one asante and then la natera kona ni wa like top trainer every ni manager nyana the trainers la ni improve gym so the numbers of the gym saya the client dari gym ai ta mo isala kutata jimana and then mo vanya ka jimi mwana Bryanstein onia Bryanstein and then logon ebiba fkaban panthulela gym a Victory Park la Victory Park na kona nga isa ti client ta kona ti batere kanya because akore gym so then he manager and he manager 6 months and then he decided that okay I nan lawa gym yamina but otherwise suksela karen kan ko mina tawa professional boxer kan ona gym yamina on the other side.
Okay, system la shop boxing la ba ko misa ko lo mun a lo boxing shi sa pina men la ba gloves ingena le nginya la muskin le ngangena yeah I didn't show na lava ku va komba ku ri loko munhu ala ku endla boxing i fanele swi ku yini loko swi kona ta tlhela endla mhaka ya toning kumbe la ku endla mhaka bodybuilding swin'wana swin'wana swi kona
and strength and conditioning cardio swi hambana
ya endla switsongonyana ku at least ku loko mi kha mi lulamisa mimiri ya n'wina for summer mo let beach mkhavaliya mo nga titimeli
mbala le tata brown le titiramo ngenisa ko pa
oh
okay press hands okay
this is interesting maka hina mina ani rhandzi tinyimpi so namuntlha kahle ka ri sense too much back kumbe ri khuzwa mi ringela hala kun'wana
ya khuzwa famela na
Oh.
aringena
fan manyini okay nta nomisa le mwana ho
nala
ya ya
press hands okay push up okay yeah
Yeah, please show me how to box. I need to go wrestling again, so mangele. Do you have to take off my shirt?
Maybe I'll have one of this. Oh, I'll
Minima. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, who is a coconut smart in
Actually, right is usually
okay, so boxing there's a stench of car over
okay.
So maybe we summarize a shield of when the shoes were fast. Then the Canning right, we send that like Labra or
So you banish facing.
yeah. And then that's also and then Uba we must on and that my year, about some months. Okay, good. The boxing stand shower and I answer, okay, good. Because there's a session and alcohol for this wash mats and then washing perfect. There isn't people killer punch away you mother and then the insurance package of all and then go on this straight molecule way. Wait, I went up and go in that and get by funny where now. Okay. So, it defends your way and Mara more than a famous and then the mirror no fun over the song. And then punch out new sumula eject. So, eject what the opera jigsaw for away now. La Guacoria answer La Cashana Shawena, Kutura and the La Cashpacker Shawana, Konoga Chaget and so Wabur Japian. So the Kumbala Japo Raman Rashmat over on left, Upas or Jap from Oviala. Jap Panana Jap Viala, Ufulino, or you miss or Yimala.
Oh, 7.
Good.
Oh, yeah, one.
Jab. Good jab. Kuranga go for a left. Jab. Roton for a left. Rubia.
Oh, yes.
Jab. What? Jab.
Okay.
Jab. So the by jab, right. So
okay.
Ton.
Okay.
Jab. I again. Come there again. So, some of our Ukoran is our months.
Okay.
And then Russian and Ireland there. Ufo about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.
Like, so I do like okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Then
Charles Baba, so we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Punch us off on some more. 1, 2, so
come as go no pay.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, no,
same thing.
Yeah.
Like,
right. So the back level like Noborana.
okay.
Take a over there.
Okay, the reference to Marilla.
Right. You follow now. Right. One.
So she will put her left. Okay, so what are the other things in Macau boxing?
Okay, boxing a sport domain. Fitness training. One got a borrega over vision active, what in CB, what and same routine. Yeah, boxing, Carotalo, Kajin, Sawan was about Sakala, Guyanakam. You go work out on the social tala and the solution everything. So you got a challenge and no challenge. Marakia fitness, one woman result very fast boxing, quick. But I lose away.
Yeah, because I'm not so me, Logoni, a criminal Jimmy Stone. Maratala will not look at like a gym lose away, and the son person that we need once some minor 2 weeks or 2 days. Ninga sending box routine like.
Okay.
How do you avoid that?
Okay, so balances on madyelo majimelo na madyelo, and then if ujima leswi swi nga a ngo khalo swi fambelana no tsutsuma mbila wena tsamari leswona swa na u kota ku va kha luza weight. So loko u wa kha ujima swo fana swo tsutsuma ku tlula push up wa luza weight kuna jimelo ro gain weight na gain mafura
mi khoma jimelo ro gain weight
u calculate to myself. Okay, so la jiminya ina the equipment for so strength so one line so connect at the end of one look connect. So the exercises letting at the end of the dumbbells line. So that was quite fun on letting at on can the end the weight. Share who I'll end the weight. So I'm going to gym and then I won't go to afford the make originating was got over not weight. So far now I walk up the mirror and over the protein from what called the proteins nyama economy on the couple of called for the nyama and then from what called carbohydrate was we gain weight because
so the pasta, the rice, busha, sonia, mashinkwa.
Very say who found the nyama weight jima ufana wakhoda sofana sweswo.
Okay.
Reason eku loko uri ku gym u khoda sofana sweswo u wa confident na.
Sena khoma leswi sofana swona. Mo khoma leswi sofana. So try
six okay, normally leswi ma different ka muscle style na ti bodybuilders. Eku ina and like full muscles. So like and full muscle and they won't and little good.
No,
another problem full muscle no plan. Kuna the bodybuilders total kuma kuti na tennis na.
Exactly.
Magayolo wakabakla to weight ta wona maybe ba helela ba stiff. So the athlete end up full muscle because logo punch a muscle in kwa I ended half muscle. So logo ko end up the bicep hour and mo kursanya no mo unge ende 5 kg or 6 kg ukho enda ito itukulu nya.
Okay.
Then utafamba au
nikomo kuchichana ndembelewa yan disturb to ri disturb ko nga chavi ni mbale xin'wana ndende mata bisa ya hluvula la. Okay, quickly without any waste of time. Right, tell me without jelly. Okay.
and then logo end up bicep tawan unga pula so unga te end up hambana na mix up unga end hokorim but nkaruta logo balance sama ho I change my work so na kwenda target amasela wa unga bicep logo ni end so
and you
until single ramina there sama work for la kusula para kutawala itamina temina tu ke
awa is makata
awal tablen way
I'm so
yeah and then logo porti as boy no sapota mi ro water saboko obia and then lelale tawako build up myself as long as we dawana kaiti 6 kg and chumpo build myself wo 6 kg 5 kg setera kutsema miri so uma tiline ya tate masale ona lesa tona mara unga enda loko so build the muscles tawana no way the muscles tawana tipo so unga change and then they vibe tana amere ishlungu and then like and then what there for arm na kona
I see
and then go back balance sama wo and then straight and then go there sama wo so kuna bukutajikisa ubuya ujikisa ubuya so logo enda so ujikisa ubuya ujikisa ubuya utawo bicep yawe nala amasunguleni lenga enda ama straight so logo ujikisa utawo enda bicep yawe nokho enda na ala alamile.
Must Jesus.
And then he balances I end makata ku miri hinkwawo balance. So ka boxing I end leswo swo nkarhi wo tala kuma ku targeta ku namuntlha in the chest leswo swo endla ku ti-gymini active. Namuntlha in the chest. Ta ku balansisa voko kumbe miri hinkwawo na endla exercise ya makatla no u endla ti-biceps to u tata. Hi endla makatla ni ku tirhisa miri. Ni tirhisa mavoko so loko ni xutanisa ni kha ni tirhisa muscle ya mina ni kha ni tirhisa ti-muscle ta mina nhlana wa mina na makatla and then na kota ku xepapa laha a xifuveni and then ku na exercise yin'wana yi endliwaka na yona yi rhandza Arnold Schwarzenegger so wa endla makatla so loko u va kha u kha swi yi phula so ya xepapa yi xepapa stomach query before enda the stomach exercise and then you have the tricep swi kota ku endla with pulo u lifta ti-tricep u va kha u tirhisa mavoko ma wena
naswona a move
mavoko and then of course u endla so Kamu sa kaya lang.
Yeah, something like kaya.
So, the box must have one more part. So, we don't get the last track. No matter what, was what I will. Sorry. So, there's sort of for you. So, there's some someone number. So, how they are. Chop I tired. Sama mo ngalupa so that's really effective so
ka exercise hinkwato linga zamaka liya ya hambele mi ta ni khomela
so
ka swona swa vanhu va tlanga what is that exercise for because ni vona vanhu vo tala va yi endla
tired so nkarhi wo tala va kha endla cardio hi ku ya hi ti-problem ta hina so ku va vanhwanyana va kha va endla exercise leya va kha hi endlela ku munhu wa luza weight munhu wa gainer strength munhu endla full body workout a ngo loko no jambela ka thayele ni squat i 90 degrees ni va ni endle mathayele ngopfungopfu na hala ntaku vanhwanyana okay and then na va ni squatini u nge support hi makatla wa jambela thayeleni u squata 90 degrees.
Look over there. You don't find them exactly.
Okay, so utasukala. Ujamba lang ako then push up. Squat tawa and body full workout. Then push up then ujamba. Technique.
Sorry.
So pana na cardio we.
Okay, mumon zaman that one on. Better look. Look
push up and then we flip over.
Then I
flip a tire.
I flip the tire. Look the button.
Then we end up the same thing.
The same thing.
Back.
Going forward, going backwards. Okay, let's try again. Distance so.
Yeah,
measure.
Right, sure.
Okay,
let's complete that. Right.
I did it. Okay, I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
Another exercise you can show us, especially bodybuilding show that boxing, they are going to maintain the shape that you already have.
Okay, this is now. Or boxing here, should work on exercise time.
Yeah.
And not full body. So we will worry. Exercising you mentioned like shape down. But work on that exercises. When that exercises set a lot of money if you can't talk with it. Work on the mention of your
Okay.
I mean, mention why work more much.
Sure, I tell you, come the ropes will get the sun jari. Now, the drive, I said, I'm going to just
skipping rope.
Yeah.
Okay.
hi ku le kha hi dyondza ti 1 2 3 silele kahle hle a hi nga swi tivi ku swilo leswiwani it was an exercise so swa tikomba ku ri a ku ri mahowele lama a ma ri ma kahle hi ndlela ya ku ma ri na vutiolori xikarhi se a hi voni ku va ta hi komba yini
skipping rope ka boxing hi xi
okay I'm also going to grab one this is cool I think I need to join the gym because I think you have everything I need. I don't want to gain. I want to maintain, and I also want to exercise. Exercise. I make it for hours. I'm going to go to the
okay. Boxing skipper nkarhi wo tala masungulelo ku skipper hi tirhisela ku warm up. So loko u warm up wa endla miri wa wena wu hisa before sungula ku exercise. So before sungula exercise miri wa wena wu fanele wu kufumelinyana u nga koti ku waseka maybe loko wa khoma bag or swin'wana. So kuna timing ka skipping. So the minute u sungula ku skip or unaweza skipping kwa wena utakuwa shughuli na maana kwa wena ku skip kwa hapo anda mnenga wena wa kuwa mapala na timing kwa kuisha ndio na kwa skipping sta pesa yana kwa kuisha mnenga wena pesa yana understand shughuli kwa coordinate understand
yeah so kumanja so as long as you're comfortable.
And then sama saudara.
So. I'm too blown. Come on, okay, this one.
Yeah, so we skip or
I'm going to be too much.
I want.
Okay, something like that, but
yeah,
with a comment.
Skipping is there's a warm and then the box up skip up mana fast. Kuna skip after sub, but otherwise I'm not sure. So, pas mana na warm up. Shilu sana way to kurwas kota kushanda hi pesele. Panano workout zone. If our break was kota skip at 30 minutes, start panana nama tutumo maybe 30 minutes. So I skip on karo to box. I skip on karo. I said this is not the same time. I skip on karo. I skipping and then the process skipping.
You can do that freestyle.
When the freestyle, tabla, cross out. When not the end of tabla skipping. So
okay. So I tell you, na comment fitness thing I'm calling for my dad. So I tell you, kombela ku yita maka band ngolo vanhu loko va gym va endla band kuma ku van'wana va hava mabandi ku la skipping nkoka wa yini swi sivela hi ku munhu a bohi band loko ka gym.
okay, band leri ya tirhisiwa a hi na rona because I end the bodybuilding. So nkarhi wo tala yi va ri karhi support spinal cord. La ka nhlana wa wena ku loko u tlakula weight nkarhi wo tala u tsandzeka ku khoma matimba ma wena ma mavoko then uyisa weight hala nhlane and then ri kota ku support nhlana wa wena ku u nga petseki. That's why mi kuma vanhu vo tala va goneka va famba so hi mhaka yo va nga endli swilo right.
Body nkhensa ngopfu va mutlangi hi pfunile mi dyondzisile mhaka ta gym swin'wana swi kahle loko mi lava ku swi tiva swi lava mi tihlanganisa na vona mi kombela mi fanekele ti-details ta n'wina ku vona mi tihlanganisa njhani na n'wina ku ri vanhu va ka hina hi dya mara kha hi tlhogomela mirhi ya hina.
Yeah, a va hi cheki ka Facebook Unchained Boxing and Fitness, and then va hi cheka ka Instagram Unchained Boxing, and then yeah, in our website www.unchainedboxing.co.za, and then kuna number right there agla jimin 0798637655. So ilanga kumokona so my inbox on Facebook, my invoice akuna promotion tala good end at the richa like one botala, so must got a contact from there.
Ngeze ifama nkume minjalo na members tingale ku training ka gym ya mina. Unchained boxing. Dead.
I'm maybe like over 120, 130.
So how do you manage the time?
80% maybe. Not per se. I'm 80% at the private session, maybe 20% at the group classes. So we're not 6 trainers. You go very fully booked now from the 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm down to 4, 5, 6 at the private sessions, not the 2-in-1. So the group classes mukuma wajimisa wanu ka the group classes baba 10, 16, so ufana utaka 2 hivi so inyeka role yokota uya na client utaka because lo sign up package utaka mbili ufana utaka mbili so shenda na ku na space
I'm doing mus
I do a private session 250 hour.
Okay, not bad.
And then 2-in-1 150, 150 more, which means 300 rand the hour.
The group class no again.
Group class is 650 kota kambiri week amati. Wow. Yeah.
And the shop because it can group vele ivana bana partner na bona so shop push na we.
Yeah, I want bawa kwa improve the group na tona because we call you more for na
but mina na kuba ka dina mwena ko mi side. Mina madoza kula besifuna ukustanding la. Makaina kenza kwa mina mntu nongo kwa ina lo ngatobeleka wankane lo gingirkan na mina mandla la gere gingirkan ka mashawa lokhu ke lamza subscribe ka channel ina ko mngela hasi kumandla gingirkan kumshani mkane lo gingirkan ita ho subscriber ashiya kere sunchumu is free lokhu ke mi swikota mklemtlika na the clock there ku ri loko hendla tishota hina mi kota ku hatla mi swikuma mi nga sela ndzhaku mi nga siwa handle mi nga titimeri XS Doors ndinqaniwa kutirikile nyora am tese ntotora salute XS Doors mi nga titimeri